I want to talk to you about high availability. Say you want to grab a cup of coffee at the cafe, but today is not just a normal day in our city. Today, there is a parade coming to march down our street in celebration of all of the wonderful cloud migrations that have been successful. This parade is going to march right in front of our shop. This is great because who doesn't love to look at floats and balloons and have someone throw candy at them from the street? But this is also bad because while the parade is coming down the street, our customers who are driving to come get coffee will be diverted and won't be able to stop by the shop. This will drive sales down and also make customers unhappy. Luckily for us, we thought ahead. We thought long ago, what would happen if for some reason our customers couldn't make it into the shop temporarily? Like if there was a parade, or if there is a flood, or some other event that blocks us from getting into the shop. Well, no matter the reason, we need to be highly available for our customers. So, I'll let you in on a secret. This isn't our coffee shop's only location. The cafe is actually a chain, and we have locations all around the city. That way, if a parade comes down the street, or if there was a power outage on our block, no worries. Customers can still get their coffee by visiting one of our shops just a few blocks away. We still make money and they get their coffee, all is well. AWS has done a similar thing with how the AWS Global Infrastructure is set up. It's not good enough to have one giant data center where all of the resources are. If something were to happen to that data center, like a power outage or a natural disaster, everyone's applications would go down all at once. You need high availability and fault tolerance. Turns out, it's not even good enough to have two giant data centers. Instead, AWS operates in all sorts of different areas around the world called regions. We're going to talk about this in depth in upcoming videos. In the meantime, I'm going to sit here and relax because I know my business is highly available, regardless of any parades blocking the street.